What happens when a juicy cheeseburger and flaky Phyllo pastry come together? You get these crispy, buttery Phyllo cheeseburger triangles that will blow your mind. We're stuffing ground beef, melty cheese, onion, and pickles, all tucked inside golden flaky layers. These addictive bites are so good, you won't be able to stop at just one. Let's dive into that burger filling. Grab a red onion and chop up about a cup of it. In a pot, medium-high heat, a touch of oil, and those onions go in. We're looking for them to soften and become beautifully translucent. Time for the ground beef. Add 500 grams to the pot and brown it for a few minutes. And for the ultimate flavor punch for our beef, we're going to chop a couple of garlic cloves. Go ahead and stir that into the pot. We're just cooking it for about a minute or until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Let's hit it with about a half teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper, give or take. Now it's time to infuse some serious umami flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of Maggi sauce. And for just a touch of tang, let's stir in a tablespoon of yellow mustard. For that lovely, subtle nutty kick, let's grate in about a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. To keep our beef nice and tender and help it hold together, let's toss in about a half a cup of breadcrumbs. To brighten things up and add a touch of fresh color, we'll chop 1 stalk of green onion and add that into our filling. And you know what every good burger needs? Pickle. So, let's just dice up about a half a cup of it. Give that a final good mix, and then take it off the heat. Time for our phyllo. Take a few sheets of your frozen phyllo pastry and carefully cut them into even strips, roughly 4 inches wide. Then, lightly brush the strip with melted butter. Now, take about 2 tablespoons of our filling and put it down on one end of the strip. And to finish off our filling with that classic cheeseburger touch, we're going to grate about a cup of cheddar cheese. Put tablespoons of cheese right on top and then just start folding that phyllo strip into triangles, over and over. And brush the edge with butter to seal it. Now, let's get these triangles in a pan and fry them up until they're golden brown and super crispy all over. Oh, and don't forget to get those sides nice and brown as well. And just like that, our incredibly Phyllo cheeseburger triangles are ready to be served. Get ready to enjoy that classic burger taste, but with an irresistible, crispy twist. They are absolutely perfect for a delicious snack or your next game day gathering. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. If so, a like and a subscribe will be awesome. And we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.